Welcome everyone, my name is Renad Zaberi and today I'll present to you my graduation project Flick. So Flick is a personalized skateboard experience that allows individuals to express their identity, their personality and their interests through customizable skateboard design. So as you can see here, most skateboard brands today are mass-produced. So it either includes the logo of a brand or the brand name or even graphics that doesn't reflect the rider himself. At the same time, the skate culture in Saudi Arabia has been growing recently. They started to recognize the sport, open new skate parks, and do competitions for local skaters. So as you can see here in those two pictures, these are skate parks located here in Saudi Arabia with local skaters. But there are still very few local stores that sell skateboards here. So why it's named Flick? So in order to do any skateboard trick, there is a small movement that you have to do to accomplish these tricks. And this small movement is called a flick. So as you can see here in this reference picture, this is the flick movement. So when I was trying to do the logo, I realized that the flick movement kind of looked like the letter K. So I wanted to implement that in the logo itself. So I used it as a reference, traced it, and created the letter K from this reference. So this is the final logo design. The one on the left is the primary logo, and the one on the right is a sub-logo, so it's either used in secondary or used for limited spaces. Moving on to the color palette, so the lime green represents energy and movement, and for the purple it gives depth and creativity, and also it gives more of a personal feel. And for the black and white is to balance out the colors. And here are the typefaces that are going to be used in printed designs and also for the website design. So the one on the left is the body text and the one on the right is the heading. Moving on to the skateboard designs, so users are able to customize their skateboards through illustrated portraits, typography, colors, symbols, and also visual elements that represents their interests. So each skateboard becomes unique to its owner. To do that, users are going to go through a website to upload all of these informations and then they will get their skateboard customized and created. So here is one of the designs. This customer used the website and uploaded all of the information that they wanted and they got their skateboard illustrated. Here are more designs. It was added as a mock-up to visualize how the skateboards will look like. So I created a packaging design that reflects the energy of the brand. I wanted the packaging to feature illustrated Saudi characters holding a skateboard to create a stronger local connection and to make the brand feel more relatable to the audience. In addition to that, I created 3 advertising posters. So the one on the far left is a outdoor poster that will be used in billboards, and the other 2 are indoor posters. I also wanted to include a AR experience to the outdoor poster, so when users scan the poster using a program called Blip AR, a small animation will start to play. For the stationery, I created a letterhead, a brochure, and also a business card. So for the business card, I wanted something creative. I wanted something that people won't throw away and they could keep. So I made my business card as a keychain of a skateboard where it has an NFC chip inside of it. So when users scan it through their phone, they get all the information. In addition to that, users also can customize their mini skateboards. They can include their name or initials so they could keep it and use it. And now we're gonna go through the website. In the landing page, I included a video. This video featured a Saudi skater. It featured also spray paint and painting to give that feel of the brand. Then when you scroll down, you get some information about the brand. Then you get to start designing. First of all, you get to choose the type of skateboard that you want, the size of it, and the type of wheels. Next, you get to choose the colors. Either you choose from the one listed, or you can add your own hex code of the preferred color. Here you get to include your name and elements of your choice, a portrait of yourself, and any additional preferences. Then you can add to cart and continue with the shipping details and the payment details. You can also sign in, or you could view your cart again, or you can customize or go back to the home page. And thank you so much for listening.